Good day to you. My name is David Richardson. The purpose for me sending you this video I'm going to explain, but let me give you some background on myself. Again, David Richardson is my name, and I am an accountant by profession. For over 30 years, I have ran my own accounting company very successfully and specializes in all phases of accounting with a concentration recently with Numismatic. I recently closed my mortgage division and started with Numismatic, and for the past 20 years I have given income tax advice and prepared business and individual income tax returns. The purpose of this video is to introduce you to Numismatic. Numismatic is a numismatic company, and this term numismatic is the study of money, accumulation of money, and the collection of wealth. And it's for that purpose that I'm introducing this to you. On the board you will see people, property, or a business. And as an accountant, you perhaps know the advice you're giving to your clients entails them having people on their return, a property or properties on their return, a business or businesses on their return in order to reduce their tax liability. I hold in my hand a fixed asset. This is a silver and gold coin, and silver and gold coins, as you know, are fixed assets, whereas other liquid assets, dollar bills, savings accounts, checking accounts, are liquid assets. On a fixed asset, the sale of a fixed asset, you have to have an accumulation or a accumulation of $250,000 and $500,000 for a capital gain before you have to pay tax on it. On a fixed asset, the capital gain, $250,000 for an individual, $500,000 for a married couple, is not going to exclude, or at least that is the gain of a gold coin or the gain of a silver coin is not going to exceed the capital gain tax. For that reason, I'm introducing this to you to show that a person is going to receive a gold coin and a silver coin, and gold at the present time has its value is over $1,200 an ounce. Silver is over $30 an ounce. So therefore, if a person took $100 out of their savings, or $1,000, depending on what they want to take out, and purchase gold and silver coins, they would have more value in their hand and tax-free, because the gain on a liquid asset is taxable, whereas the gain on a fixed asset has to reach a certain level, $250,000 single, $500,000 couple, before it is taxed. And for that reason, I'm introducing you that you can introduce this to your client. And as a result of you introducing these coins to your clients, you and your clients are going to benefit, because the client now that you have, individual client who may not have a business, who may not have a property, who may not have a people, that person now can have a business for very less than $100. The person can start a business for less than $100 and take a write-off on the business expenses that they're going to incur, and as a result of that, they're going to be make a collection of silver and gold coins. Gold at the present time, $1,200 an ounce. Silver at the present time, $30 an ounce. And each person is going to have immediate gain upon every collection of every piece of money that they receive. The only product that we have is money. The only product that Numis has is money. Numismatic study, the term numismatic is the study of money. Now, I'm going to introduce several websites to you now. Before I do, I would hope for you to pause this video and play it so you can write down the websites, and also to get additional information of what I'm presenting, because I am trying to talk fast. I only have a limited time to present this to you. But the only reason you're receiving this is because you are, according to the Internal Revenue, approved to file income tax electronically. For that reason, I'm sending this to you, and I'm calling you on the phone number that I obtained from the Internal Revenue's public database in order for you to get this information that I'm sending you. Numismatic is what this is really all about, and your clients being a part of Numismatic, and you benefiting from your client who become a part of this and starting a business for less than $100. And if they really want to get exclusive and get involved for less than $500, they're going to put even more money in their pocket and even more money in your pocket. So that's the purpose of this, okay? So visit, if you would please, www.gsgtcompletecopy.com. www.gsgtcompletecopy.com. Write it down, gsgtcompletecopy.com, www.gsgtcompletecopy.com. Make sure you also write this down. Take a Numismatic Metro ride. Why Numismatic Metro ride is because of the metropolitan area from whereby you are preparing income tax return. There's a vast amount of clients, individual as well as business clients in your area, and this is available for both individuals as well as businesses, by the way. It's not just for individuals, but it's most likely the individual clients that you have are paying more liability than the business clients you have, because the individual clients don't have as much write-off as the business clients. So for that purpose, we're trying to introduce this to you, to introduce to your client, so that your client can have a write-off of a business, especially those clients who don't have neither people, property, or business on their income tax return. And both people, property, or business, as you know, will reduce the liability. So use these coins, fixed assets, as a means of gathering wealth and also reducing the liability in the same process, because it is a business to collect money. Numis has made it possible for an individual to start a business by collecting money. The only product is money. The business is money. The collection process is money, and you will see that in the videos at www.takeanumismaticmetroride.com and at www.gsgtcompletecopy.com. Now, even for a more in-depth analysis or more in-depth understanding of this process, visit another website I'm going to give you, www.numispresentation.com. Numispresentation.com is going to explain Numis, and it's going to explain the compensation plan in depth. All of the videos are going to talk about the compensation plan, but it's going to go into an in-depth presentation at www.numispresentation.com. Also, you can call me if you don't have all the information and you need additional information, and I can get that for you. Call me at 301-328-4186, and that's a Magic Jack number. And you can reach me there 24/7 because it's an internet phone. 301-328-4186. 301-328-4186. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have, but I do recommend very strongly that you do not pass this up, because it's just like throwing money in the trash. Our only product is money, and when you become involved with Numis, you start a business of collecting money, and as a result, you're going to have business expenses from the process of collecting money. That's a win-win for both the client. That's a win-win for you, the tax accountant, because when the client starts the business, as you will see in the compensation plan, you're going to benefit tremendously by your client starting a business. So you want to make sure that all of your clients get an opportunity to see this, both your business as well as your individual clients, because only both you and your clients are going to make a process from collecting wealth through the process of these coins. Now, I'm not going to take up any more of your time. I'm going to conclude this, and I think I've already taken up too much of your time, but the only reason why that you're receiving this video is because you are an accountant according to the Internal Revenue, and you prepare electronic income tax. So therefore, when you prepare your electronic income tax return for 2010, 2011, and beyond, make sure that those individual as well as business clients has had an opportunity to take advantage of this process. Someone, if not you, someone is going to introduce this to your clients, and your client didn't take it, then you would not benefit as much if I introduce it to your clients as well as you would if you introduce it to your client. I know you can understand, I hope, what I'm saying. So therefore, make sure that you follow up on this. www.gsgtcompletecopy.com. Watch all the videos presented and see if you are not taken as I was when I saw this. I closed the mortgage division because I was losing money on my accounting company with the mortgage division. And I started Numis, and instantly I started getting an income from Numis. I mean instantly, and it has not changed. As a matter of fact, it's enhancing day by day. I want to thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good day. And be sure to watch the videos. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.